Good morning. Sometime Kev's here. How to fix a dim or non-working LED trailer light for free. Coming home from the lake last night, one of the trailer lights was dim LEDs. Only about 3 or 4 of them were working. I'm going to show you how to fix your LED trailer lights that are dim or not working at all for free. Here we go. Make sure that connection's working, and it looks like it is. No, nothing wrong there. No broken wires. All the other lights are working except for one rear light, which you need. Like last night coming home from the lake, 8:30 when I got off the lake, it was pitch black, and 9 o'clock when I'm driving home. One of my trailer lights is very dim, maybe 4 out of the 12 or 16 LEDs was working. I'm going to show you how to fix that for free. Right side seems to be working just fine. Left side, nothing. All right, let's fix it for free. All right, first look at these wires. Make sure that they're not broken. You could have got something hung up or broken. These all look good. Nothing hanging. All looks fine up in there. Next thing you want is, this is the ground wire. It's the white one. Check it. Got it started. It doesn't look like the best job right there, but I think that's still intact. Oh, what is that? That's it. I guarantee that's it. Rusted washer, and it rusted where it's supposed to be connecting to the trailer, which is the ground. Let's clean that up and put it back together and see what happens. This is not going back on there. It's just gonna rust again. This is stainless, I guess, so it looks like it's okay. I gotta get this rust off of here. Looks like the original one. I don't know why it had that black tape on it. Alright, let's use this washer right here. Put some grease behind there. Alright, let's turn them on, see if they work. Another pro tip, use your flashers. They do the brake lights. Oh yeah. Yep. That was it. Fixed for free. Sometime Kev checking in later.